Hey glow friends, Stacy here, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today's video we're gonna be talking about shmoney. Yes, we're gonna be talking about that Google money, that YouTube money. No, I'm just playing. It's not even that serious, y'all. It's really not. But I'm here to help you, okay? I am here to share my experiences and give y'all the 411, the tea, all of it. Yes, that's what we're here for. We're glowing up together, okay? So this is gonna be a real quick video because there's really not much to talk about, but I currently sit at about 1,500 subscribers on YouTube, and I think I reached the threshold to be allowed to receive payments, which is like the 4,000 or whatever watch hours, 1,000 subscribe. Ooh, sorry y'all, it's blowing up. 4,000 subscribers, all that stuff. I think I reached that at the beginning of the year, maybe around March. That I'm not sure of, but it was like earlier in 2019, right? And my first payment, because you know you have to make at least $100 in order for them to send you the payment. So if you don't reach $100 that month before the cutoff date, you roll on to the next month until you reach that amount, and then they will send it to you. And my payments get posted on the 23rd of the month. I'm not sure when the cutoff date is, but you can see that information in your AdSense account. It will tell you what is the last day to know how much you made before they will now pay you on that 23rd, okay? So, mind you, this is a long time coming for a little bit of change, but I am so grateful and I'm super happy about it regardless, because it's money you get doing something fun and, you know, hanging out with you guys, and I love talking to you guys in the comments. So here we go. So after being approved for payments sometime early in the year, let's say March, April, something like that, my first payment was September 23rd, 2019, and that was for $132.96. Your girl was feeling herself that day. I was like, what? They paid me some money? What? Then I didn't get paid again until December 23rd, which is, you know, a couple days ago. A few days ago this month. And my next payment was December 23rd, and that was for $154.71. Okay, I'm just checking in my phone. Yeah, so first was 132, and the next one was 3 months later at 154. Okay, and looking at the trend, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get paid again next month or not. It might, you know, be less time in between, you know, in between payments or whatever, but that's just what it's been for me. I've been paid twice, and that's what the amounts were. So I hope that helps somebody. Let me know if you guys are similar sizes, if you're comfortable, like if that's on track with what you got, or if that makes sense to you or whatever. I don't know. That's just what it is. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.